everyone. How are you all? So today we are going to discuss about what we will get in kit that we will receive after admission. So without wasting time, let's go inside and see what is inside the kit. But before that, just like and subscribe Kid Developer channel. Let's go. So now we have senior KG kit. So let's see what is inside the kit. Get this list. In this list, as you see, there are two options: at home and at Kidsy. So there is clearly mentioned what we kept in school and what we have to give to the parent. Second, we got this beautiful chalk book. Let's see how it looks. The beautiful chalk book, and it is made by non-tearable material. Okay, so these two bits you can just do the scribbling or drawing. These two for letters, and these two for numbers, and these 5 lines for Hindi practice. Next, we have this parent handbook. In this book, all the things has mentioned. See, like we are working on 5 mind. Next, we have this beautiful apron. Let's see. So see, there is a beautiful pocket inside the apron, and we will use this apron while lunch or while activity. So this is welcome card. So as you see, there are sheets inside the cards, and you can just follow these instructions and you will see a beautiful plant has grown. So this is the gift from our side to the parent. Now we have this beautiful bag, and it has two pockets. First for lunch, and the center one is for notebooks and all. And now we have a adjustable cap. So this is icon. This is the fantasy box. These are there are 3D cards inside the box, and how you can use. I will tag the link in the description. You can just click the link and see how you can use the fantasy box. Now we have these books. Let's open the books. So this is the Scott card. Here, as you see, there are 4 options to paste the photo, and this is the card that you have to just show to the school, and you can take your child from the school. Now this is the child folder. As we are following the non-back policy, that's why we will keep all the books in the school. And whenever the teacher want to give any worksheet for school for homework, then she can just tear a worksheet. As you see, we have a tearing option in the book, so we can just give worksheet in that folder. The parent should help their ward to complete the worksheet and give it back in this folder. So now we have 3 homework book. Book 1, homework book 2 and homework book 3. You can start with homework book 1. So this is readiness book, and this is a mixture of maths and English. So there are few activities related to the maths and English book. So we have 3 artsy books. Why we are using artsy word instead of art or drawing? So we have added on a art of 2 national and 2 international artists. So let's see what is inside the artsy. So there is a craft activity, and we have an option to cut flower from backside and just will paste it over here. Now we have this free expression activity, art and nature activity, element of art, line activity, craft activity. So this is Art of India Worldly. So this is numeracy book. In this book, we will cover 1 to 100 number name and addition, multiplication and rest all the same. So right now we have 2 books, Fun Do and Can Do. This is the mental mind book, and it's guide us how to process our emotion at the certain situation. So we have 2 English book, literacy time and language time. Literacy time guide us how we can increase our writing portion, and language time guide us how we can enhance our vocal part. This is the language book. You can say this is GK book. In this book, we can just give the knowledge of certain things. Last but not the least, we have added on this beautiful summer uniform in this kit. So let's see how it's look. So we have a boy and a girl uniform with this cap, eye card, squad card as we have discussed earlier. Apart from that, we have added on this beautiful shoe in this kit. Let's see how it's look. So this is the socks with this kit. See, these are the beautiful shoes you will get in this kit. All these books are designed in a way that make learning more fun, interactive, and enjoyable for the children while supporting their overall development. Thank you.